Introduction and first look at Edison. Hey, I'm Jaanika and this here is Edison. Edison is a small, palm-sized robot that is great for starting with both robotics and programming. In this course, there are also worksheets in addition to videos. In the end of each video, there is a slide with the text challenge. This means you'll have to complete the task yourself. Challenge: take Edison, 4 AAA batteries, and print out worksheet number 1 to be ready for the first challenge. But let's now start with the course. 3, 2, 1, go! Introduction and first look at Edison. In this video, we will get familiar with Edison's control buttons, inputs and outputs. To practice what you've learned, use worksheet number 1. If you take Edison out of its box for the first time, you need to bring it to life by inserting the batteries. You need 4 AAA batteries. Let's take the cover of the battery case off. Inside of it, you will find a wire used to upload programs to the robot. Let's replace it with the batteries. On the cover you can see what orientation to place the batteries in. Done. Now, let's put the cover back and check if everything works properly by turning the robot on. The power button is on its bottom side. Pushing the lever to the right turns the robot on. When the robot is turned on, the red LEDs start flashing. Pushing the lever left again will turn it off. If you have stopped playing with Edison, turn it off so the batteries wouldn't run out. Even though Edison has a power saver where it goes to sleep mode after 5 minutes of inactivity, it is still necessary to power it off. If Edison has fallen asleep, it can be woken up by either pressing the triangular button or on all the models, turning it off and back on again. Edison can be controlled with pre-made programs that are uploaded by scanning the barcodes or by creating programs on yourself, which can be made and uploaded via the Edison software. When I show and tell you what the robot is doing, I will use programs I have made and uploaded to the robot beforehand. During this course, you will also learn to write such programs. Before we start exploring the fun world of robotics with Edison, let's take a look at what sort of inputs and outputs the robot has. It has 2 motors, which control its wheels. Wheels can be taken off and replaced with different Lego wheels. Don't turn the wheels by hand, instead let the motors do it. In here is Edison's speaker, which can beep or play notes. Edison has 2 red LEDs, which can be controlled separately. Edison can send out an infrared signal, which can be received by another Edison. This way you can make the robots communicate. Using inputs, the robot can find out what is happening around it. 2 infrared senders and receivers on its left and right side help Edison detect obstacles in front of it. 2 light sensors on Edison's both sides help it measure light intensity. A line-following sensor on the underside of Edison helps it realize if it's on black or white surface. The infrared receiver can receive a signal from a TV remote or another Edison. The sound module, which also acts as a speaker, can detect a clap and perceive knocking. At its bottom, there's also a connection pin to connect the wire for uploading programs too. Edison has 3 control buttons: triangle, which is used to activate programs, square, which is used to stop a program, and circle, which is used to initialize the program upload sequence. Now it's your turn. Complete the challenge on the screen and see you in the next video. Challenge. Place batteries inside Edison and make sure it works. If you want to confirm that Edison can move, press the circular button 3 times and see what happens. Print out worksheet number 1 and draw how you imagine a robot.